Welcome to Selenium Automation Testing channel. So today I'm going to explain of the one of the interview question. So whenever I'm executing any script, for that script taking screenshot is essential. So that is the point I'm going to explain here. I attended for one of the interview. In that one of the interviewer asked a question. He asked to write down the code for to take the screenshot. For example, to take the screenshot, we have a method called TakeScreenshot is a method. TakeScreenshot is an interface. In that interface, we have a getScreenshot as a method, and we also have another interface output type. So now I'm going to write down a code for that one. TakeScreenshot is an interface. In that interface, we have methods. So here I need to typecast the driver to the. For example, I will write down. So here I need to do the typecast to the take screenshot. So that is a method. I am typecasting to this particular method means. So for example, in Java, uh, so when you go for typecasting, generally when you go for the typecasting, this D type of the particular object I am converting to the C type. This particular. For that purpose, I am doing the typecasting. To do the typecasting, this D and C should have some relationship. Either they should have parent to child or child to parent. For example, here I have base class. I have another class base class, and I also have derived class, and I also have another derived class. Whenever for the base class equal to new derived 4 I am giving, upcasting I am doing. So here, this particular derived type, this particular reference object, I'm converting to the this particular derived for. So here, this particular B object, I'm converting to the type. So here, typecasting is going to here is object typecasting is happening here. Object typecasting means converting from one object to another object. To do this conversion, it should have some relationship. Here the relationship is this particular derived class is extended for base 2 class. That's why I'm able to perform the typecasting. So to do the typecasting, it should have some relationship, parent to child or child to parent. This relationship it has this particular base 2 class, this particular derived class will extend the base 2 class. So here derived clause is extended base class. It has a relationship. This is derived and this is the parent and this is the child. Same thing is happening in Selenium also. So converting from this object to driver to take screenshot. I'm converting the object. Okay. Why I'm type to converting means I will say. So here to do the screenshot, we have a method called. So this is the interface. This interface contains the methods. So here we have a methods get screenshot as. After that one, we have another interface called output type is also contain different methods. Output type I will write down. This particular interface has an four methods, base 64 bytes, and here I am going to take the file format. So this particular file, it will return the file. That's why I have taken the file object. When I write down output dot file, it will return the file. Next step I will write down the file. So this file utility is a class. It contains the static methods. Generally, static methods can be accessed by class name dot object names. Here I will using copy copy file methods. In this one, I have two parameters: source file and destination file. Here I will take the source file as f file. This particular reference object I am passing because this is the source, and here I am passing the destination means the where this particular screenshot has been shared. Here I need to give the location of the particular where my screenshot has been loaded. For example, I can take like this. So here I want to store the particular. I will take the location, and I will mention the a particular class name dot jpg. This is the format. So in this way, I am taking the screenshot. So I need to format a JPG format. In this format, I'm taking the screenshot. This is the particular method. Now I'm going to execute this particular method. I already written the this particular script I'm going to write. I have already written the script. This particular script it will execute. Now I will run this particular method. So I have written a script. It will going to open a browser. After opening a browser, so it is taking time to launch the browser. So it has taken a particular time. So and I have written the iPhone 12 as in the search bar, and I got the results of the particular iPhone. And particular browser has been ended. Now I will see in this particular folder. So I can see the screenshot of this particular. Uh, so I can see the screenshot. This is how to write down a screenshot for a particular script. Okay, friends. This is how. Here I have written a in the base class I have written. So this is the method I have written for the particular script. Okay. So generally that is a method normal way. So here I am going to explain about the parent and child relationship. So that is essential. So here if you take the WebDriver, why we are doing the typecasting. So whenever I am doing the typecasting, it should have some parent and child relationship. Here we have a relationship for the particular parent and child here. So here remote WebDriver is a class and WebDriver these are interface. Generally, class contain the implemented methods. Here, when we writing the Chrome driver, it is asking to do uh, typecasting. For example, so here it is asking to do the typecasting. Here the reference type is WebDriver. Whenever I have written the driver dot, I will get the methods of the WebDriver interface. Okay. Here, this remote WebDriver is in class, and these three are the interface: JavaScript executor and take screenshot. This is also one interface. Here, I'm creating the object for this particular interface. WebDriver is an interface. WebDriver equal to new Chrome driver. I'm creating the interface. So this Chrome driver contains the methods of this is a class, and this is also class. This generally class all contains methods. This Chrome driver class is extending this particular remote web driver means it contains these methods also. This file driver class also contains this particular remote web driver methods. And similarly, these all particular web browsers contain this particular class methods. And similar way, and this class contain this particular interface methods also. That's why when I remove this particular WebDriver, and so now I have written the Chrome driver. When I written the Chrome driver dot, here I will get the particular method remote WebDriver methods. This particular class methods I am getting means this WebDriver methods also will be applicable to this particular class because interface will not have the implementation. Only in the class contain the implementation methods of the particular interface. Similarly, when I write down the driver dot, I will get the all the methods remote WebDriver. So here I will contain the driver dot find element by dot partial link text. I contain this contains all the particular methods. Here whenever I have written the driver dot WebDriver interface. So whenever I have written this particular WebDriver equal to new interface, when I write down the driver dot, I get the methods find element, get WebDriver URL, Windows handling, hash code, notify, all the methods I will get. So majorly find elements, get URL, Windows handling methods I will get. So here I'm changing the why I'm doing the typecasting. I'm trying to explain here. When I write down the driver dot, here I will get Here I got the methods find element, by.xpath, and find elements methods also I'm able to get. Hash code method, Windows handling method, these all methods I got. So whatever methods present in the WebDriver, I have got this particular method also. So here whatever the methods are present in the WebDriver, I'm able to get the particular class. That's why here typecasting is performing. For example, here here I'm not able to get the any particular error because so here I'm not getting any error. Here this particular driver, this particular object I'm not converting to JavaScript object. Why? Because here I no need to convert the typecasting. I'm not getting any errors. Why I'm not getting this particular method means because in this particular class only contain this particular methods. Here I no need to get the methods of WebDriver interface methods. Here this particular object contain this particular remote WebDriver class. So here no need to converting the object because in the child only it contains the particular methods. That is the main thing here. Typecasting is happening. Like parent to child should have a relationship, and here when I write down the driver, Chrome driver, no need to convert the object because when I writing the Chrome driver, it also contains this particular all these particular interface methods. That is a one thing. When I write down the WebDriver, so it will ask to convert the typecasting. Why it is asking to whenever I write down the WebDriver equal to new Chrome drive typecasting means this particular interface needs to convert this particular driver object needs to be converted, then only this particular method is applicable. So that is a concept guys here to take the screenshot. Thanks for watching the video.